Hello friends, welcome to Catalyst Chemistry YouTube channel. As we discussed last video, some of the points about chemistry, and the next one is the vital force theory. After that, the first organic compound, that is what? Urea. The urea prepared with the help of ammonium cyanate. Ammonium cyanate in the presence of what? Heat. Heat indicate what? That is delta, representation by what? Delta. Finally, there is a formation of what? Urea, NH2C double bond O NH2, that is the what? Formula of urea. This urea is a first organic compound. Okay. Before that, vital force theory said that organic compounds are prepared only by what? Naturally. But after this preparation of what? Urea, the vital force theory is going to what? Fail. Next, after that, one more thing, some of the elements having a inorganic property. Finally, there is a preparation of what? Acetic acid. Okay. Today this video we are going to discuss about what? Catenation. Catenation is the most important. They are going to ask you 1 marks definition. What is catenation? All of you note down this definition. Catenation, it is a property. Definition is catenation, it is a property of an element. It is a property of an element. Catenation, it is a property of an elements combined or joined together on its joined together own atoms through covalent bonds. This is the definition of what? Catenation. Catenation, it is a property of an element joined together own atoms through what? Covalent bond. Okay, what is covalent bond and what is ionic bond? Last video I told that point. Okay, ionic bond is usually there is a presence of what? Ions like this Na plus, and next one is what? Cl minus. But covalent means there is no representation of what? Charges usually. Okay. Next, just here, this is the definition, most important, make it perfect. I repeat one more time, catenation, it is a property of an element joined together own atoms through what? Covalent bonds. This is the definition of covalent bonds. Next heading is what? The tetravalency of an carbon. Tetravalency of an carbon. Tetravalency of an what? Carbon. Next important point is what? Tetravalency of an carbon. Just see here, tetra means what? 4, mono means what? 1, di means 2, tri means 3, tetra means what? 4. In this case, 4 valency, last video I told that the outermost orbital configuration, outermost electronic configuration, that is indicate what? Valency. I repeat one more time, just see here, I am going to write here carbon. Carbon is the most important element in the periodic table. Carbon atomic number is what? 6. What is the electron configuration of carbon? 1s2, next one is what? 2s2, next one is what? 2p2. In this case, just see here, this is the what? Outermost electronic configuration of what? Carbon. These two electrons means 2s and 2p, these two orbitals indicate how many electrons? 4 electrons. These 4 electrons are indicate what? Valency. That is why the carbon is having a what? Tetravalency. Most important point with the help of this one. Just see here, next point is what? That is a carbon can make a 4 sigma bond or it can make a what? A pi bond. Just see here, I am going to consider an example, very simple example, see methane. Okay, this is what? CH4. Just here, in this case I am going to write this carbon containing what? How many hydrogens? 4 hydrogens are there. This is 4 hydrogens, 1, 2, 3, 4. How many sigmas are there in this case? 4 sigma bonds. 4 sigma bonds are possible. Means you know very well about that, sigma is head to head overlapping, pi is a side by side overlapping. Carbon can make a 4 sigma or pi bonds. Pi bonds, just see here, I am going to consider another example. This is what? CH2 double bond CH2. Okay, just here in this case what one is what sigma bond, another one is pi bond. Carbon can make a pi as well as a sigma. Carbon can make a 2 pi 1 sigma, otherwise carbon can make a 1 pi 1 sigma, next carbon can make a 4 sigma also. Okay, this is the indicate what tetravalency of an carbon. I am going to ask you very simple question, what is the valency of carbon? Now tell me. 4. This is a fix, it may go on varying, it may go on varying means what, just here in this case what pi and sigma is going to vary, but carbon valency is what must and should, that is 4. Okay, this is the example of what, ethene. Next important point we are going to study about hybridization. The next important point is what, that is hybridization. Next important point is what, hybridization. Hybridization of what, carbon atom we can say, otherwise general is what, hybridization. Okay, just here in this case what is hybridization, types of hybridization, what is hybrid orbital, we will study in what, chemical bonding and molecular structure. Hybridization means what, in this case generally there is a combination of what, equal energy, there is a combination of what, equal energy, that is generally indicate what, hybridization. Means just here in this case we will study next chemical bonding and molecular structure. Just here in this case I am going to make a 4 column, I think this space is not sufficient, just in this case hybridization 4 columns are there. The first column is what, that is molecule. The first column is what, indicate what, that is molecule. You have to take what, hybridization and geometry heading. Okay, just one more time you have to write hybridization and what, and geometry, hybridization and geometry of carbon atoms. This is the what, heading, hybridization and geometry of what, carbon atoms. Okay. Next in this case first column, the first column is what, molecule, this is what first column. The second column is what, that is you have to take sigma bond, and next one is what, lone pair, sigma bond plus lone pair, short form L and P indicate what, lone pair. Just see here lone pair. Okay, just for example lone pair is nitrogen is having a what, lone pair. Just see here, this is what, NH3. These two indicate what, lone pair. Pair means what, 2. Okay, this one is indicate what, lone pair. Molecule sigma bond plus what, lone pair. Next one is what, bond angle you have to take, otherwise better you have to take what, hybridization. Otherwise you have to take pi bonds also, that is also indicate. Sigma bond is completed. No? Next you have to take what, pi bond. The next one is what, hybridization you have to take. Next one is what, hybridization. The next column is what, bond angle. Next column is what, bond angle. The last one is what, geometry. Next one is what, geometry. This is the tabular column for what, hybridization geometry of what, carbon compounds, otherwise you have to take carbon atoms. The first one is what, molecule. I am going to consider first example is what, CH4 molecule. What is the name of the molecule? Methane. Okay. Next, how many sigma bonds are there? Now tell me, this methane containing how many sigma bond? Totally 4 sigma bond. Okay. Just see, is there any lone pair? 0 lone pair. You have to write 4 sigma bond plus 0 lone pair equal to what? 4. This is a simple trick. Okay. Is there any pi bond? Pi bond is what? 0. In this case, there is no pi bond. Pi bond means there may be a compulsory what, there is a compulsory carbon-carbon double bond or maybe a triple bond. Next, hybridization. What is the hybridization of this one? Hybridization is what? sp3, s orbital, next one is what? p orbital. This one is indicate what? sp3 hybridization. Directly you have to bear in mind, okay, because hybridization we have not yet studied. Hybridization discussion, it will come under what? Chemical bonding, and next one is what? Molecular structure. Okay. Next, after that what? Bond angle is there. Bond angle means in this case 109 degree 28 minutes. Next, after that geometry. Geometry means what? Tetrahedral. Tetrahedral. Geometry is what? Tetrahedral is a geometry. Okay. Next, this is what? Important. Next, tetrahedral is a what? Geometry. First column completed means first molecule completed. Okay. Next, second molecule, second example, you have to take CH2 double bond CH2. What is the name of this one? Ethene. Okay. Next, how many sigma bonds and how many pi bonds you have to calculate? You have to take any one of the carbon. I am going to take this carbon. Okay, just here CH2 double bond CH2 is there, no? First carbon I am going to write here. Okay, I think it is visible. Just see, CH2 is there, double bond CH2. Okay. Write the structure of this one. This carbon containing how many hydrogen? One hydrogen. This is two hydrogen, double bond. This carbon containing how many hydrogen? One hydrogen. This is what? Two hydrogen. You have to take any one of the hybridization of carbon. Now you have to count how many sigma bonds are there. This is what? 1 sigma, 2 sigma. Okay, I told that is one is a sigma, another one is what? Pi. Just here. Okay. This carbon containing how many sigma and how many pi? Now tell me. 1, 2, 3. 3 sigma, 1 is the pi orbital. This carbon is also same. 1 sigma, 2 sigma, 3 sigma, next one is what? Pi. This sigma and phi, these two both are involved, this carbon as well as this carbon also. Okay. That is why in this case the answer is 3 sigma. Next, in this what? 3 sigma. How many lone pair? Is there any lone pair in this case? No lone pair. You have to write 3 plus 0 equal to 3. How many pi bonds are there? 1 pi bond is possible. Next, hybridization. Hybridization is what? sp2 hybridization. Next, bond angle is what? That is bond angle is 120 degree. Next, in this case what? This is a planar in structure. This one is indicate what? Planar in structure. Okay. sp3 hybridization, planar in structure, otherwise you can say what? Particularly what? Geometry. Okay. Next, in this case what? Last example, that is what? Ethine, CH triple bond CH, CH triple bond CH. Okay. Just here this you have to check all the carbon satisfy the valency. Carbon containing what? 4 sigma bonds or maybe what? Otherwise you have to take 1 pi bond or 2 pi bond. Best you have to count the number of hydrogen atom. In this case what? 1 hydrogen is there, next 3 bond, this is 1 bond, carbon containing 4 bond, valency is satisfied, this 3 bond, and next this 1 bond, this carbon containing also what? Satisfy the valency. Okay. Next, in this case how many sigma bonds are there? Just see here, I am going to write this is the carbon, this is what? Hydrogen, which bond? Sigma bond. This is containing how many bonds are there? 3 bond. Next, this carbon containing what? Hydrogen. Just here 1 sigma. In this case what? Head to head overlapping takes place, sigma. Next one is what? Pi. These two are indicate what? Pi. Next, in this case this carbon containing how many sigma and how many pi? 2 sigma are there, 2 pi are there. Okay. This carbon is also same, 2 sigma, here one sigma is there, no? 2 sigma, 2 pi. That is why in this case just see here how many sigma bonds are there? 2 sigma bond. Is there any lone pair? 0 lone pair equal to what? 2. Pi bonds, how many pi bonds are there? 2 pi bonds. What is hybridization? Hybridization is what? sp. Bond angle is what? 180 degree. How we are going to read this one? 109 degree 28 minute. Okay. Next, in this case planar. What about this one? Linear structure. This is what? Linear. 180 degree, you know very well about that. Okay. This is indicate, this one is indicate what? 180 degree. Okay. This one, up to this one is indicate what? Hybridization and geometry of carbon compounds. Usually you have to apply this technique to what carbon compound, otherwise you have to apply what ammonia, any other elements also, no problem. But particularly in this case what heading is carbon compounds are there, I am going to consider example is also what carbon. So, this is the what your complete tabular column of what hybridization. Okay. Just here we are going to study about what structure. What is the structure of tetrahedral? What is the structure of planar? You have to take trigonal planar. Planar indicate what? Trigonal planar is also what? Right. After that what? Linear. Just here I am going to write here only tetrahedral structure. I am going to draw the structure of tetrahedral. Okay. Just here, this is a look like a tetrahedral structure. How are we going to represent atoms in this case? Just here, tetrahedral, how many atoms are there? 1 carbon, 4 hydrogens are there. No, center you have to write carbon. After this, in this case, you have to write hydrogen, hydrogen, hydrogen. Next one is what? Hydrogen. I think this is not visible. Okay, I am going to write here. Here I am going to write. Okay, just here. This is the what structure of tetrahedral. This center atom is what? Carbon. Just here carbon containing 4 valency, 1, 2, 3, 4 bonds are there. How many hydrogens are there? In this case 1 hydrogen, 2 hydrogen, 3 hydrogen, 4 hydrogen, because valency of hydrogen is what? 1. That is why this is indicate what? A tetrahedral structure, otherwise you can say geometry. Okay. Next one is what? What is the bond angle of this one? Bond angle, this was indicate what? Bond angle. This bond angle is what? 109 degree 28 minutes. Next one is planar. Planar means in this case I am going to consider trigonal planar. Trigonal planar means what? This is the look like structure like this. Okay. This is what? Trigonal planar. Center atom is indicate what? Carbon. How many hydrogens are there? 2 hydrogen. One more is there, what? That is called pi bond. In this case it will come. Next after that, in this case what? You have to take in this case any one of the element. After that, in this case you have to write hydrogen atom. Next linear is there means what? Like this. This is indicate what? Linear. This bond angle is 120 degree. What about this one? This is what? 180 degree bond angle. Okay. Next, this is what? Hybridization. Next we are going to study some of the example of what? Hybridization. Okay. They are going to give you examples. Okay. You have to write hybridization. They are going to ask in examination. Okay. Theory examination. Example for hybridization. Okay. First example, simple example, CH3 CH2, next one is what? OH. Write the hybridization, title is what? Write the hybridization of carbon atom. Okay. Write the hybridization of carbon atom. Write the hybridization of carbon atom. In this case very simple, finally trick, most important final trick. Just see here, very simple final trick is there. First point, 4 sigma, 0 lone pair, this is lone pair, this is what? Sigma. 0 lone pair, hybridization is what? sp3, very simple. 3 sigma plus, in this case was 0 lone pair, hybridization is what? sp2. Just see here, this is how many p orbital, how many p orbitals are there? 3. 1 s orbital, 3 plus 1 is what? 4. In this case what? 2 p orbital, 1 s orbital, 2 plus 1 is what? 3. Very simple trick to what? Remember. Okay. Next, this is containing what? 2 sigma plus what? Lone pair equal to what? That is sp. Just here 2 sigma is there, no? Like this. In this case sometime they are going to give example containing what? Lone pair. That time you have to count lone pair. Means in this case if they will supply lone pair means this is going to get a 3. Total means this must be compulsory what? 4. This must be what? 3. This must be what? 2. This is the method of what? Writing. Otherwise in this case what? This in this case also it will come under what? 4 only. Okay. Just here in this case what is hybridization of this carbon? They are going to ask you. In this case you have to count number of hydrogen atom. How many hydrogen and how many hydrogen atoms are there in this case? 3. 3 sigma bond. This is what? 1 sigma bond. Totally how many? 3 plus 1, 4 sigma bond. What is the hybridization? Hybridization is what? sp3. Next one is what? In this case you have to count how many hydrogens are there? 2 hydrogen plus this is 1 sigma bond, next this is 1 sigma bond. This is what? sp3. Do not worry about this OH. Okay. This OH hybridization we will study later. Next, another example. Next I am going to write 2 to 3 examples. Okay. That is homework for you. CH2 is there. Next one is very simple, CH2. Next one is CH2OH. Okay. Next example, CH2 C double bond O. Next one is what? CH3. CH3 C double bond O, CH3. Next example, I am going to write here. Okay. C double bond O, C double bond O. Heading is what? Write the hybridization of what? Carbon atoms. Okay. Okay friends, subscribe the channel and press the bell icon, you will get a notification. Thank you.